Hi, good morning. Welcome to Automod Racing. Currently, I'd like to tell everybody or advise everybody to be careful with the coronavirus. Always keep distance, at least about a yard or two away from people that you're talking to. Um, well, right now, we are one of the luckiest business that's not affected by the close down or shutdown of business around in California. We are one of the essential business, which is auto repair. Now, currently, we are not affected by this slump on the business, the flow of business. Like I said, people are still moving on with their life. They're moving on with their modifications on their vehicle. Like this one here, we are working on a 2010 Chevy Camaro. It's a 6.2 liter engine, LT. And we are about to install a supercharger made by Vortec. This is the engine bay. This is where the supercharger will go into. We still do not know what kind of horsepower this is going to make when we tune it, but you may want to watch the stages of installation of this power adder. So here, this is the component that we're about to install. This is the supercharger itself. It's made by Vortec, and they supplied the whole complete kit on this. The air passage, the intercooler, super damper, crank pulley, all the pulleys that's needed, including the chrome pipes, the tensioner pulleys, the bracket for the supercharger, and the breather filter. One thing I really like on this is that they use chrome pipes. And then here is the filter, the reservoirs, and the hoses. So here, this is the intercooler that we're going to be installing in the front. This will go right here behind this rebar, and they have already removed the bumper on this to make way for the installation of the intercooler. So we will be showing you like stages of the installation of this, and until we finish it. And then for the meantime, we're going to switch over to another project that we are doing at the same time as this. So like I said, we are really lucky that we were not affected by these business shutdowns. I feel bad for the businesses who are closed right now, like restaurants and other businesses like salons and most of the bars, Disneyland, all the recreational areas. But we're really lucky. So we will be showing you the other project that we are doing at the same time, and please stand by.